Welcome to Choice Champions. The best laundry hamper is probably one of the most essential items for any nursery, helping to keep things tidy and organized. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive into the top laundry hampers designed specifically for nurseries, considering factors like size, material, and design to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. OrganiHaus 52L Woven Laundry Basket. This large woven basket transforms your home with beauty and functionality. Its natural tones bring warmth to any space. Use it as a blanket or toy basket, complementing your decor. Each cotton rope basket is meticulously handcrafted. It gives your home a soft, artisanal touch. Safe for kids and pets, it adds texture to any interior. This tall laundry basket handles your daily routine with ease. Its sturdy structure and reinforced handles offer strength without losing softness. The weave ensures it stands tall. This large woven storage basket adapts to every lifestyle. Ideal for use as a clothes or toy basket, it's the perfect blend of utility and sophistication. It fits perfectly in any room. Designed for simple living, this large hamper is easy to move, fold, and store. It's a statement of calm, sustainable living. It turns everyday routines into moments of harmony. What we like. This hamper's soft cotton rope construction adds a touch of warmth and elegance to any nursery. Its hand-woven texture gives a cozy feel, perfect for a baby's room. If you are looking for a stylish and durable hamper that blends seamlessly with your decor, you should consider this one. What people say. The hamper is the perfect size for a nursery. It is very sturdy and well-made. The design is simple and clean, which fits well with the nursery decor. Number 4. Mind Reader Slim 40L Laundry Hamper, Pink. This hamper can hold up to 40 liters of laundry, towels, or linens. It's perfect for a family or anyone who needs ample space for their dirty clothes. Its narrow profile is designed to fit in closets, bathrooms, and other tight spaces. Despite its slim design, it doesn't sacrifice capacity. The premium plastic weave allows for natural air circulation. This helps to keep your clothes fresh and prevent odors. It features a secure hinged lid and cut-out side handles. This makes it easy to carry and provides a tidy look. The dimensions are 18L x 10.4 W x 23.5 inches at the top. The tapered base helps to save floor space. What we like. This hamper's slim design is perfect for small spaces, making it ideal for bathrooms or closets. The ventilated wicker design allows for air circulation, keeping your laundry fresh. If you have limited space but need a functional hamper, this is the one for you. What people say. The hamper is very sturdy and well-made. It is the perfect size for a nursery. It is also very cute and matches the nursery decor. Number 3. INough Baby Giraffe Laundry Basket. This laundry basket offers a generous 42-liter capacity. It's perfect for keeping your child's room tidy, providing ample space for clothes, toys, and more. It can hold a lot of items. The basket features a cotton drawstring closure. This design keeps everything inside safe from dust and dirt. You can carry it around without worrying about anything falling out. Made with sturdy canvas and a waterproof EVA coating, this basket is built to last. Unlike other materials, it won't easily rot, even in the sun. The metal rod frame adds extra support. With 2 handles and a lightweight design, this basket is easy to move around. When not in use, you can simply fold it up to save space. It's very convenient. Keeping this basket clean is a breeze. You can dust it with a soft cloth or wipe it down with a baby wipe. For tougher spots, use soapy water and let it air dry. It will keep your items looking beautiful for years. What we like. This hamper offers a large capacity, perfect for storing all your baby's clothes and toys. The secure drawstring closure keeps everything inside, and its sturdy construction ensures it lasts. If you need a spacious and durable hamper to keep your nursery organized, you should consider this one. What people say. The hamper is the perfect size for a nursery. It is very sturdy and well-made. The design is simple and clean, which fits perfectly in a nursery. Number 2. Munchkin Collapsible Laundry Hamper for Baby and Kids. This laundry hamper is lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It also has a large capacity, so you can fit plenty of clothes inside. The hamper features a folding lid that stays in place. This design keeps the dirty clothes out of sight and helps contain any odors. It comes with soft padded handles for easy lifting and moving. This makes it comfortable to carry, even when it's full. The hamper folds flat for easy storage when not in use. This is a great space-saving feature for nurseries and kids' rooms. The interior is made of laminated material that wipes down easily. This makes it simple to keep clean and fresh. The collapsible laundry hamper measures 21.5 by 13 by 13 inches. It's the perfect size for a nursery or child's room. What we like. This hamper's collapsible design makes it easy to store when not in use, perfect for small nurseries. The laminated interior is easy to wipe clean, and the soft padded handles make it easy to carry. If you are looking for a space-saving and easy-to-clean hamper, you should consider it. What people say. Baby hamper, good size and sturdy. Good quality. This sure is an impressive hamper. I needed something small for my studio apartment, and this not only fits nicely in the closet, but looks great. And it really is incredibly sturdy. Great hamper. Got one for my son almost 4 years ago and it's in great condition. Fits lots of laundry. Number 1. LANGYASHAN Lion Collapsible Storage Basket. This storage basket is perfect for organizing toys, laundry, and more. It's designed with a cute cartoon pattern, making it a fun addition to any room. It's a great way to add a splash of color while staying organized. Measuring 19.7 inches high and 15.7 inches in diameter, it fits perfectly in nurseries, kids' rooms, or even the home office. This basket is versatile and can be tucked away in closets or left out to enhance your decor. Made from durable polyester canvas with a waterproof PE coating, this basket is built to last. The strong handles make it easy to move around, and the wire ring at the top helps it keep its shape. You can use it for a long time. When not in use, it collapses for easy storage. It's also great for shopping trips or transporting items. This reusable basket is easy to grab and carry, making it a convenient solution for any storage need. Use it for kids' hampers, toys, magazines, or craft supplies. It's a versatile organizational tool that can be used in various settings. This basket is the perfect solution for keeping your home tidy and stylish. What we like. This hamper features a cute cartoon pattern, adding a fun touch to any nursery. The canvas material is durable, and the collapsible design makes it easy to store. If you like a stylish and practical hamper that's easy to store, you should consider it. What people say. The hamper is the perfect size for a nursery. It is very sturdy and well made. The design is simple and clean, which fits well with the nursery decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.